Do crab sticks really contain crab meat? You might not know what goes into them in the factory. This is a large-scale crab stick production factory. Let's uncover the production process together. Workers throw these frozen fish blocks, which are like bricks, to turn them into thin slices. This helps save time on thawing. The slices are then poured into a chopping machine, where they are ground into smaller bits of meat paste. After closing the lid, salt, ice, and cooking wine are added, and it is mixed until it forms a fine paste. Once the lid is open, crab juice and deshelled crab meat are added. After chopping and mixing thoroughly, the paste is squeezed out using the chopping knife. A small portion is then taken, where pre-mixed red food coloring is added after mixing, which mimics the red outer layer of crab meat. This paste is then placed into a filling machine, evenly spread onto the packaging bags. The majority of the crab meat paste is cooked into thin layers of crab meat skin. After cooling slightly on the conveyor belt, the meat is rolled into a long, cylindrical shape. It is then coated with the red crab meat paste and wrapped in a packaging bag. The factory cuts them into uniform lengths according to production requirements. After watching this video, will you still eat crab sticks?